want to show you guys our latest secret door creation. It's right here behind me. I'm just going to hit the button on this TV's remote control and it's going to make the secret door open up. So this is a project that's going to a hotel in Canada, and behind the secret door there's going to be a secret video game arcade made out of walnut. And what's really cool too is it has more than one secret switch. In fact, this submarine right here is sitting on a button that comes up out of the base of the cabinet. And so whatever object you put there, if you manipulate it, lift it up, or tilt it in any way, then the secret door will open up. It's made out of walnut, and as you just saw, it's really, really smooth and quiet. We're really excited to get it installed in this hotel.